Hi everyone, welcome back to another video from Tech for Gamers. In this video, I'm going to show you how to turn off sound on Monopoly Go. To turn off the sound setting on Monopoly Go is super easy. First of all, open up the Monopoly Go application on your device, and once you're in the home page, tap on the menu icon at the top right corner. Now, click on the settings button from the expanded menu, and then you will see this kind of an interface. Go ahead and turn off the button right next to the speaker icon and the music note icon and make sure that they are crossed. After you do that, you will then be able to switch off the music or sound effect in Monopoly Go. After you are done, you can no longer hear the sound effects while playing the game. Now you can enjoy the game in silence. Whether you prefer a silent game session or want to listen to your own music while playing, this quick setting adjustment makes it easy. If this tutorial helped, don't forget to like, share and subscribe for more Monopoly Go tips. Stay tuned for more gaming tutorials. Thank you for watching.